Devuélvete.
Navicular syndrome is one of the most common causes of chronic forelimb lameness in horses. The pathologic lesions within the navicular bone are caused by a disruption to normal bone remodeling. Healthy bone is a dynamic tissue that undergoes constant remodeling through resorption by osteoclasts and formation by osteoblasts in response to mechanical stress. Excessive mechanical forces on the navicular bone disturb the balance between resorption and formation. The result is increased osteoclastic activity and ultimately the formation of osteolytic bone lesions. Osteoclasts mobilize on the surface of bone tissue and are responsible for resorption. The osteoclast adheres to the bone, becomes polarized, and forms a ruffled border where active bone resorption occurs. Proton pumps in the osteoclast membrane move hydrogen ions from inside the cell across the ruffle border, creating an acidic microenvironment. This acidic environment allows lysosomal enzymes from the osteoclast to degrade the organic matrix of the bone. In navicular syndrome, bone lysis outpaces bone formation. Tildren is the first approved medication in North America to control the clinical signs associated with navicular syndrome in horses. The active ingredient in Tildren is telludronate disodium, a bisphosphonate that achieves its effect by controlling bone resorption. Following IV infusion, Tildren travels through the bloodstream and binds to the mineral matrix of the bone. The acidity of the remodeling environment causes the release of Tildren from the bone matrix into the resorption space. Tildren penetrates the osteoclast by endocytosis. Once inside the osteoclast, Tildren has three mechanisms of action, resulting in modulation of osteoclastic activity. Tildren inhibits the transport of protons across the membrane to the resorption space, creating a less acidic environment. Tildren disrupts the cytoskeleton, leading to the loss of the ruffled border. Tildren causes the formation of a cytotoxic ATP analog, resulting in osteoclast apoptosis in areas of excessive osteoclastic activity. Tildren, with active ingredient telludronate disodium, acts to regulate bone remodeling by reducing bone resorption. Studies have shown that horses treated with Tildren have significant improvement in lameness associated with navicular syndrome.
No, primero caminando. Luego trote, reisillo. Vea. Ay, pero es que la locura no lo deja. Eso está perfecto. Vamos a repetir el otro lado, por favor. Está muy bien.
Porque él no estaba buenísimo.
Y de todas maneras el flexor digital profundo está ahí.
Todo también se lo hacemos así.
Ajá. No, hacemos de ahí para abajo todo eso.
Parejito.
Tiene todo el sentido del mundo.
Exigilo un tricitico.
Quítese en
Ese es el
cuenta.
caballo. ¿Listo? Perfecto, vamos con una ecografía. ¿Dónde lo hacemos, Ángel?
Cuando tienen tiempo.
Eso decimos, póngale un 90%, ya yo.